Hey guys, it's Mellow to the Breeze. As you can see, I'm working on my Halloween special right now. Fluttershy the Butterfly, Twilight Sparkle the Human, Rarity the Rarity, Pinkie Pie the Helicopterist, Rainbow Dash the Cloud, Applejack the Applejack, Apple Bloom the Fairy, and Sweetbelle the Princess. So today we're going to be making cute little donuts. Woo! Yeah, so we're going to be making these really adorable, cute, little tiny donuts. Okay, so that's a My Little Pony brushable, Rarity, and that's the donut. Rarity, donut. Rarity, donut. Rarity, donut. So, all donuts will be different. I'm going to be making the exact opposite of this one. Purple sprinkles and green icing. Anyways, I didn't actually use any specific color. I just used bright yellow. This yellow to be exact. So, I have all my measurements here. So get a pretty decent amount of sprinkles. Pretty tiny amount of icing. And even bigger amount of dough. Dough. It's not money. Oh, and also you need a pencil. So, roll your dough till it's a perfect circle. Dun 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 dun. Woo 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 woo. Okay, guys. Turns out I needed a bit more Play-doh, so let's start again. Do 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 do. So keep on rolling, just until it's a perfect circle. Then squish it, just the tiniest bit, so it's a little tiny donut shape. Then this is the hard part because I have to do this with one hand. Poke a hole in it. Then flip around to the other side and you kind of can see a little hole there. So poke exactly where that hole is. And it makes a tiny little cutie donut. Well, right now it's a bagel. Ba-dum. You can kind of roll it out if it's too big on one side. So, it looks pretty good. Not perfect, but who cares? Then, grab your green. Squish it! Woo! Then you want to carefully, very carefully put it on your donut. Just so that it looks like that. Then just fold it onto it like that, like exactly how you glazed it. Then you're going to poke the holes in again. So, I have the holes poked in again. Like that. Technically you could do the holes last, but who cares? Woo, woo, woo. Yeah, this is not working. Okay, anyways. So, just take the tiniest little bit of purple Play-doh, well, my purple Play-doh, your whatever Play-doh. see, it would be green Play-doh over there. And you just want to take the tiniest little bit of it and just place it on there. So I'll be right back and I'll have all my sprinkles done. Turns out I have too much Play-doh purple. Woo, 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 woo. As you can see, it looks really nice. Can't believe my camera's HD. Oh my gosh, such a disappointment. So anyways, I'm gonna go put that one over there and make more delicious little donuts. So you can just keep on making these till you have no more Play-Doh left. So anyways, I'm gonna be doing a little skit right about a boom.
Hey, Harry Pony, who wants a donut? Donut! Alright, really. Pinkie Pie's traveling, bakery, yeah, bakery! Who wants a donut? Donuts again! I just put 2 in the oven. Hi, little donuts. Oh, Pinkie Pie, can I have a donut? Sure, allow me 2 bits, please. I mean, 1 bit, I think. Yeah, 1 bit. Oh, hi, Pinkie Pie. Apple Bloom here wants a donut. Sis, please, can I please have a donut? Please.
Apple Bloom. How much are they? Pink Pie?
Oh, 1 bit. 2 bits for 2.
Sure. What flavor?
I'm not sure.
Huh?
I'm not sure. I think one's a lime one and one's a grape, maybe? Not quite sure. No, I'll take the lime one. I think this is the lime one. Here you go. Oh, thank you, Pinkie Pie.
It looks delicious. It looks fantastic. No. Great. It looks cool.
I made them myself. Now what if Apple Bloom made them? Now that would be funny.
You know, those are the colors of April Fool's Day.
Oh, you mean purple and green are the colors of April Fool's Day?
Yeah, most pleasing and most displeasing.
I had no idea.
I thought they would be pink.
I didn't have any pink clay. I mean, pink dough.
Icing, you mean?
Yeah, no pink dough.
Okay then, Pinkie Pie. You're sure?
Spike, are you alright?
Yeah, I'm fine. I just tasted one of those donuts.
Here, I'll pick it up. There we go. Hi, who's out there? If you like my donuts, lime and grape, aka,
Well, they're actually just Play-Doh. Don't tell Apple Bloom and Applejack.
what was that? Nothing. Here, hold this, Twilight. Hey. It's delicious. What? Oh my gosh, that's the best
I've ever tried.
Okay, I'm gonna go sell more donuts.
Woo! Bye, Pinkie Pie. These are the best donuts ever. Come on, let's take these back to Granny Smith and Big Macintosh. Now I kind of want one of those donuts. These sound delicious. Yeah, so bye all you YouTubers. Twilight out. My little pony, my little pony. Ah, my little pony. I used to wonder what friendship could be, my little pony. Till you all shared its magic with me. Big adventure, tons of fun. Beautiful, hot, faithful and strong. Sharing kindness is easy to beat, and magic makes it all complete. Yeah, my, that you know you're all my very best friends.
Hi guys, it's me, Pinkie Pie. Now if you like my donuts, and if you like this tutorial, please say donuts in the comment section. Bye-bye. Thanks out.